Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in home decor, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the most beautiful and inspiring decor trends for 2025. Get ready to elevate your space with these fresh and exciting ideas. Earthy tones and organic materials. In 2025, earthy tones are making a strong comeback. Think rich, grounded colors like warm browns, terracotta, and sage greens. These tones bring a sense of calm and connection to nature, perfect for creating a cozy and welcoming home. Pair these colors with organic materials like wood, rattan, and clay to give your space a harmonious, natural feel. Statement lighting. Lighting is becoming a powerful focal point in interior design this year. We're seeing more oversized pendants, sculptural chandeliers, and unique light fixtures that double as art pieces. Statement lighting doesn't just brighten a room, it adds character and elegance. If you want to make a bold impression, lighting is the way to go. Biophilic design. Biophilic design continues to thrive, with an even stronger emphasis on bringing the outdoors in. Indoor plants are essential, but 2025 is also about architectural elements like indoor water features, living walls, and large windows that connect interiors to outdoor views. These touches bring a fresh, vibrant energy to your home and improve air quality and well-being. Retro-inspired decor with a modern twist. The retro vibe is coming back, but this time with a modern twist. We're talking about bold geometric patterns, curved furniture, and pops of color reminiscent of the 70s and 80s. Think of mixing retro hues like mustard yellow and teal with clean, contemporary pieces for a balanced and stylish look. Smart, sustainable choices. Sustainability is front and center for 2025 decor. People are opting for high-quality, eco-friendly materials and multifunctional furniture that lasts. Reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and sustainable textiles are becoming popular choices. Creating a stylish space that's also kind to the environment is truly the trend of the future. Texture layering. Texture layering is the secret to creating depth and interest in your decor. In 2025, we'll see a blend of various textures, think velvet, leather, and linen, all within the same color palette. Layering these textures in throws, cushions, and rugs gives a room warmth and a visually dynamic appeal. There you have it, the top home decor trends for 2025. Whether you're updating your entire space or just adding a few fresh touches, these ideas are sure to make your home feel stylish, modern, and uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design inspiration. See you next time.